Welcome back to Smart Money Monday. This week, we continue our small business series with Bank of Hawai'i and Mana Up. Sophia Teruya is here from Bank of Hawai'i. Hi, Sophia.
Aloha, Steve.
So last week, we talked about this partnership with Mana Up. What's been going on since then?
Well, as you know, Mana Up connects business owners with experts to help them take their next step. For example, Pono Potions owner Peter Hessler worked with Bank of Hawai'i mentor to learn more about business accounting.
So tracking sales, that should be easy.
Absolutely, but managing business expenses can be more complex. For example, Pono Potions sells natural local syrups for drinks and cooking. They sell online as well as their coffee shop, Po'i, in Chinatown. So they need to accept different forms of payment. But these types of payments can have associated fees.
So you mean credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, that sort of thing?
Yep, all those and more. Merchants need to be able to account for those fees in their budget.
Okay, we follow you.
But most of these times, the fees can vary. So at the end of the month, a merchant might not know they're paying the right amount or that they may be being overcharged.
So what's the solution?
Well, we often suggest that merchants look for a flat rate plan for their payment processing. It's simple, predictable, and a lot more transparent.
So you know what you're paying for?
Absolutely.
How about security, Sophia?
Well, customers can expect you to safeguard their information so you can make sure your vendor provides you encryption, tokenization, and keeps you compliant with all your credit card brands.
Is reliability an issue here?
Well, if something does happen, having an in-person service can be a lifesaver, or at least support you in your own time zone so that they're open when you are. And of course, if you have any questions, they might want to talk to your banker for more information.
All right, thank you, Sophia. Good information for our viewers out there.
To learn more about Mana Up and how Bank of Hawai'i can help your business do more, visit boh.com/manaup.
All right, thank you, Sophia, and thank you for watching Smart Money Monday.